First of all, I would like to thank Intellipaat for this opportunity and their kind support. I had enrolled for advanced certification on Cloud, Azure, and DevOps. And I was previously working for Victoria's Secret as an technical engineer. And after the certification, I was placed to Palo Alto Networks as an IT administrator. I got a very good hike, around 80% hike. Before this, I had reached out to a couple of other team, and Intellipaat, the way they responded, and they were ready to give that guidance. When I asked multiple questions, they patiently answered and everything. Because to be frank, we didn't have much idea about all these courses. There are n number of courses everywhere in the market. When you just search in the website randomly, you have a lot of course. But Intellipaat would take the time to explain in brief and in detail on what the course curriculum is and the time and efforts they put. I was genuinely interested because if they're ready to explain more than half an hour, just the course curriculum, then imagine what they can explain when it comes to the subject portions and all. So I thought, okay, Intellipaat would be really good because they're really committed and dedicated. That's the reason I chose Intellipaat. First of all, I would like to thank Intellipaat for this opportunity and their kind support. I had enrolled for advanced certification on Cloud, Azure, and DevOps. And I was previously working for Victoria's Secret as an technical engineer. And after the certification, I was placed to Palo Alto Networks as an IT administrator. I got a very good hike, around 80% hike, highly professional, and their communication was pretty simple. It's not like they were just exaggerating with all those tough words. It was easily approachable, and we were able to understand it. They used layman terms when explaining, and they were using a real-time examples. Even though if I end up missing few classes here and there, I was still able to access the previous course, and if I will have to go through maybe in the future for reference, I had access to it. So in that way, it was really helpful and flexible. The timing, the resource, everything, it was really good and flexible. In short, I will just say dedication. It might sound very simple and normal, but to be frank, the 6 months journey which I had with Intellipaat session, all I could see is they have a very good sense of dedication.